Stop translating in your head. Try this mind trick to think in English. Hi everyone. Today I want to share a powerful technique that really helped me to speak faster in English. We usually think in our native language, then translate. So that's why we feel slow and stuck in English. So here's the trick. Describe everything around you in simple English. For example, I'm sitting on the bed. The curtains are swinging. The fan is working. This phone is mine. Like that, you use simple sentences. You don't need perfection in grammar, just simple sentences. Slowly, your mind thinking directly in English. Speak slowly, speak simple, but speak daily. Try this today and tell me if it helps. Save this video to remember the trick. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.